Hello, my name is Onur Şimşek, and I'm the CEO and founder of atlacarte. And we have a lot of history with Oracle. I used to work for Oracle. One of our key directors was a director in Oracle. And I'm pleased to inform that we are a member of Oracle for Startups, and we are also an OPM member. So, atlacarte, what is atlacarte? We uniquely bring together ordering and digital customer server by combining the two in a chat solution. And we take this even one step further by enabling venues to service their groups of guests by allowing their guests to order together from a group chat. This ultimately allows for the digitization of both the CX and unique social interactions of various groups. And there's even more. Our unique chat technology allows for over 200 different features all in one platform. Traditional features ranging from bookings to leaving reviews to redeeming promotions to innovative and new features that enable sustainability, remote working, staff collaboration, and many more. Why did we build atlacarte? Well, because of these challenges. There are so many different apps and platforms, and they don't work together well. Overspending, CX is not digitized industry where it matters the most, and existing platforms do not cater for the social side of going to a venue, again, in an industry where it matters the most. And our solution for that, an all-in-one business solution for the hospitality industry. Seamless integration and collaboration of many diverse features, technology that allows for friends and groups to order together in the most familiar yet unique way, and highly scalable technology that can add new features in record time. Well, the integration with Symphony will make Oracle Micros the most complete hospitality business solution out there by adding all of our features to its own. Orders from customers are received, paid, and managed through the atlacarte venue management software, and order information sent to the customer's Micros Symphony to be registered and printed for the staff on site. Now, why Oracle? To name a few, is a high strategic value for us. It has a large existing network. Oracle for Startups and OCI providing lots of support, but most importantly, Oracle understands what an all-in-one solution can do for an industry. And Oracle Micros Symphony customers would have access to, again, over 200 features, ranging from table order to room service to events and remote working. All of these features on their own are much needed and are quite impressive. But the fact that you get them all in one single platform and they all work together harmoniously, now that's where we really shine. So ordering can be as easy as sending a message to a friend due to our chat interface. Chats are directly converted into orders due to our specialized technology. So let me be clear, you don't have to chat back. You could let automation handle it all. Customers can place orders and get support and advice from venues on the same chat. Capability to upsell products and services, but most importantly, it's not a takeaway or web shop experience. So you can allow your guests to receive the unique hospitality service in the most unique yet familiar way. I will show this showcase later in the demo. Group orders can be as fun as a group chat, actually. So it's the most interactive and dynamic way to interact with your group while ordering. Customers in the chat can pay their own orders for selected friends or for everyone in the group through the app. Guests can order rounds for the group. Chats and pictures are private, but orders go to the venues. It's that unique. Digitize the social dynamic in a venue, and the best way for groups to order and make barrier for ordering non-existent. I will show this later in the demo too. So we have a case study, and the outcomes of the case study are quite amazing. We had an event at the Clayton Hotel, and the 87% of drinks were 87% faster service in drinks being served. 82% food waste reduced, and 71% of attendees pre-selected their meal options. I also believe that that promoted drinks were sold out first by the venue. So we have a business model to scale and to adapt. We have a freemium, so that's where the customers can enter. We have a SaaS model. We have a channel partners for all the different OPM partners for Oracle, and we have a white label solution. So whatever's needed, we have it. And now I would like to show you guys a demo of how all of these features work. Well, it all starts with a dashboard where you can, for example, see the amount of orders and the top 10 most sold products. What I want to showcase here is we can show relevant data that's relevant for the venue. So here you can see the timeline. This is where the chat orders are converted into easy readable orders. Here you can see the chat. You can see the different names. You can go back into a month, and you can just look what they've ordered and how the customer service interaction went, for example. Here you can see the bookings. You can see that different people are in different sections. And here you can, for example, see the promotions, both active as well as planned. And you can see that the promotion can be redeemed. Here you can see the different reviews of the customers. The customers can, you can interact with it, and the customers can interact with the reviews as well. Here you can see the menu, and you can just provide any data that you would like for the menu, including prepping time, calories. You can set up a menu, etc., etc. So here I would like to showcase how the ordering process looks like for both the guests as well as the venue. So the phone on the left is for the guests, and the two iPads are for the venue. And because we want to also showcase potential staff collaboration, so it doesn't have to be like this, but it can be like this. We provided two iPads. So just for the sake of the demo, imagine that the iPad in the middle is at the venue, and the iPad on the right, somebody's working from home or in a different office or even in a different country. So the guests can just look at pictures and then look at the menu. It's as simple as that, and just order. It's going to also book for 5:30 and order for 2 people. Is on diet, so he's ordering Caesar and a pasta. And it appears on both devices. So if you do something on one device, it will be updated on the other device. And if you do something on the other device, it will be updated on the other device. So this is how the staff collaboration could look like. And you can see that without even chatting, that the customer is being notified of how the order is. And this can be highly customized too. But now somebody at home is going to give a customer service. So customer service digitized. Would you like some wine? Sure. And the person working remotely can just, sell some wine. It's as simple as that. And it will also appear at the venue, what's going on. So this is an example of staff collaboration. And then the venue can ask for the payment of it, and the customer is just gonna pay for it. And again, the person that's working remotely can follow this too. And I also want to showcase here that ordering from the same chat is super simple. So you just go, so the guests can just go on the menu and just order, keep on ordering. And it will appear, and they're not going to pay now yet. And this also, I also want to showcase how a tap will work. So they're going to order more. And whenever the venue wants, they can ask for the payment. So we adjust to any venue here and how they operate. So, and now they're going to pay for the whole order instead of paying every time. And here I would like to demo something that's very dear to my heart and to Borja's heart as well. So here we're going to show how a potential group order can look like. So imagine in this demo, these are 4 friends. They are at a pub, and for the venue doesn't see their private chats or their pictures. That's very unique. The venue only gets to see their orders. But in the group chat, you can order for each other. So if one friend orders for the other, you can see it on your own friend what your friend is ordering for you. And for the venue, it's just simple as, the chats are being converted into orders. So they're given another round, and the venue just have to accept the order or deny. And once you have to pay, you can just either pay for your own order or for a selected amount of friends or for everyone. So imagine, for example, a team night out without the manager, and the manager can just at home approve everything. So that was a quick demo of how things could look like from a group order chat perspective. So I want to thank you guys a lot for having attended with the presentation and looking at our demo. Thank you.